Hey everyone, welcome back to Unique Vlog again. Today we are here with our subscribers too. This is Vihan. This is bro, my bro. You have seen him earlier. So today vlog is dependent on today we are going to do a potluck, which is going to be amazing, and you guys are going to see what's going on. We are going there at the clubhouse. So let's see, many people are going to come today, and it's going to be much more fun. So this is the vlog we are going to do. This is the place we are going to party. This is my bro. You have seen him a lot of times. This is Vihan from Vihan's World. Say hi. And
Hi.
this is Sarvadnya. This is our latest member.
Hi.
Hi. Okay.
So subscribe to him also. And
This is Kaplan Gaming. Actually, Kaplan Gaming. He has a YouTube channel. He just opened recently. I'll share the link in the description. Neha Didi. परत बोल.
Didi.
Ah.
And present also present and not Didi cannot party.
Okay, so I'll share my Arnav's Kaplan Gaming link in the description. This is Vihan's World. Vihan from Vihan's World. I'll share his link in the description box. So we have food here, people here. Actually, there were going to be many people, as many as possible, but we had to go out on like that. So we have okay. Now we have all the food. We're going to give it to everyone. Everyone is going to get food equally. Okay. So if you want, you can take yourself. We'll just take in our plates and all. Testing all the food and telling how it tastes. So this is good. Of course, it's good. I have popcorn, and we have many more. This is a good one. Actually, Sarvadnya bought it. He bought it. He bought it. And this is also the person who bought it. So all I'm saying is good.
Water.
It's quite good. And we got Maggi and pasta both here, which is going to be getting finished. This is going to be finished. And gulab jamun. Bhujia shape, which is right there. 2 different of popcorn. We have pomegranates too, which all are going to get as gifts at the ending.
Yes.
So, let's check the reviews. What did guys? What do you think of this food? Okay, what do you think? How is this food? Like everyone made a potluck.
Think of it and tell how the rating is.
Yeah. So how do you think? Like, do you like it?
So many good stuff here. This is so fun.
Yeah, great. Arnav, what do you think of the food?
The food is very tasty.
It's tasty. great. And Sarvandam, what do you think of food? Everyone is saying tasty. तुला आवडलं जेवण? Okay, so we are going to have quiz while eating.
So I have a question.
So you will ask a question and everyone has to
It's a
answer.
country question from what is it? So who wants to answer my question?
Okay. First ask the question, Miha, then we'll answer.
First the question is from which country was Domino's invented?
Oh my god, that's a good one.
USA? No.
Maybe New York. What's the answer?
So the answer was the dominoes were invented in China. First they didn't have colors. They first put like a dots and then they invented with colors. The other countries made it modified and it spread all around the world.
Great. Good information.
So thank you.
So,
I will.
okay, he is going to ask the second question. So what's your question?
What is capital of Sweden?
What is the capital of Sweden? I know.
Okay, say. I have 0% of answer. What is it?
0%. Okay, so what is the answer? Final answer.
Final answer is Stockholm. Means?
Okay, let's move further. Okay, so you are going to, you don't have any question? You want to ask any question?
Yes.
Okay. China. Okay, what China?
I have a question.
Okay, third question, the last question. Ask us.
Look, which is the best, which is the hardest game which was invented with which country? India. What game?
Chess.
Chess.
I know. I have heard this, so that's why I was like, chess was invented in India. Chess was invented in India. And which was the most hardest game ever invented at that point of time?
I have another question. Which day before yesterday, who won the first gold medal of India?
Wait. I remember. Who was that person? No, re.
India won the first gold medal. On which day? Olympics.
What is the answer? I have heard this. Just tell me.
It is Neeraj Chopra throwing spear something.
कुंभ करोड़पति से ये आंसर मतलब खेलते जा रहे हैं माइनक्राफ्ट गेम में इलेक्ट्रा किधर से लाते हैं?
माइनक्राफ्ट गेम में इलेक्ट्रा किधर से लाते हैं? किधर से लाते हैं?
NCT
बराबर 1 करोड़ रुपए.
Okay, everyone, open your sweet dishes.
Yes. This is biscuits. These are some nuts biscuits. These are three types of biscuits.
And that is
गुलाब जामुन.
gulab jam.
And this is chocolate.
Chocolates. Yeah.
So
Okay.
we are-
Gulab jamun.
So we are all going to be spreading it to each one of us to divide all the chocolates and the food. So we will enjoy.
Yeah. So open that gulab jamun. So everyone, the chocolate we have to open.
Let's all open our chocolates and let's.
Okay. तुला देते. Okay. And we're going to have the biscuits too. First, have the biscuits, everyone.
Okay. This one is okay. Oh, I am having also. This is nuts biscuits. It's for protein. Yes.
Protein biscuit. Oh my God.
These are nuts. Nice nuts.
Okay.
To
Biscuits.
build up your body.
Okay. So This is nuts biscuit. Biscuit time over. Gulab jam. Do you guys really know that you are going to have gifts at the end of this party? You want? You want? You can get it home. Okay. So first, behave like good guys, huh? Behave like good children, and then I'll give you. For sure.
Sure.
I'm not
Give it. I'll open.
And uncle.
Open. Oh, open. So this is a spoon we got.
And this is a magic spoon.
So we're gonna open.
See this. And see this is a Joshi.
Oh.
Ooh, I have 3 pieces. Stop. Hey, look, now you get one.
Okay, so this is the last dessert we are left with, gulab jamun, which is bought by Sarvadnya, and this little guy too. Everyone with your spoons. Everyone with your spoons.
Yes, we have our spoon.
Okay, so let's contribute. And I'm just the one who is watching. Everyone, gift time. It's gift time. I'm gonna give gifts to everyone. So nowadays, you guys have to be healthy, right? So I have bought something healthy. I have bought pomegranates for you guys. Okay, so you take it. Vihan, take it. Sarvadnya, come on. Sarvadnya. Okay, so this little ones, and I'll just one more for you. You can take it home, okay?
Oh no.
Take. Arey, धीरे.
Let's all give one to our parents, one for us.
Yeah, one to our parents and one for you. हाँ. Okay, done. And this is one for me left. Okay, so we are done with our vlog today, with our potluck today, and everyone is here enjoying, and it's kind of drizzling, so we have to go home. So you guys want to say something? Arnav, Sarvadnya? What do you want to say?
Something.
Okay, what do you want to say?
Subscribe to vlogging and share and like.
Okay, Ada. Huh?
Subscribe to
Vihan's World.
Vihan's World, yeah, this is Vihan's World. I'll give his link in the description.
Subscribe to Arnav's channel, okay?
Yeah, the Kaplan Gaming. Yeah, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I have to end this vlog over here. So you guys have to say.
Subscribe to her.
Yeah.